Okay, my next question. What I have here is beeping smoke detector. This is Carlo writes in, I have an electric smoke detector battery backup which was installed 1 year ago. The problem is that it has recently started to beep at steady intervals. I tried to change the battery. The beeping continues. Expiry date is 10 years away, 1920 or 2027. And can this annoying beep be fixed? Help you. As it worked out, we worked with Carlos on this one, and he finally replaced it. Because sometimes, yes, it can be fixed, but sometimes it's just faulty. And when it costs $15 to replace it, you may not even want to go through a warranty thing to take care of that. But here's how you go about doing that. And there's a website that does a really good explanation of this. And I put that in the link to help you out. But how do you reset a beeping smoke detector? There's two differences. One, when it's electric, it's plugged in, it's hardwired with a battery backup. And the other's just battery. So when it's an AC unit, it's plugged into the house. You turn off the power to the smoke alarm at the circuit breaker. So no power there. You remove the smoke alarm from the mounting bracket and you disconnect the power wires. When you do this, take a picture before you take them off so you know what color goes where. Okay, I used to say write it down, but now it's so easy to pull out your cell phone, snap a shot, and now you know exactly how to put it back together. Then you remove the battery. What we've done is we've taken away all possibility of electricity to this unit. Now you press and hold the test button for 15 seconds. Okay? And the unit may even chirp or alarm for a few seconds before it goes quiet. So you press and hold the test, not just test, but you hold on to it for 15 seconds. Then you reconnect the power, reinstall the battery. It'll probably chirp as soon as the power comes back on, but it should stop. All right? If there's no power, you remove the battery, press and hold the test button 15 seconds, reinstall the battery, and it should take off. And when that doesn't work, well, that's more of a problem. The first thing you can do, or the next thing you can do, is vacuum it all out. You vacuum it or shoot compressed air at it, get any dust out of the sensor. There's a little sensor box on the inside. Open it up and vacuum it, shoot the dust in there. Sometimes just that, and then a reset, and it'll work. When dusting it and resetting it doesn't work, you buy a new one. Okay, Carlos? Okay.